When PowerSchool was adopted by the Muscatine Community School District as our student information system in 2009, it represented a fundamental shift in how teachers, administrators, and parents communicated with each other. We went from parents receiving academic updates only periodically to parents being able to view instant information on attendance, homework, grades, and much more. Since its implementation, PowerSchool has been accessed by parents and guardians over 33,000 times and over 81,000 times by the students themselves. Up until now, parents have been required to use a different set of usernames and passwords for each student enrolled in the school district and have had to log out of the system and log back in again to see information for additional students. While access to the information was a substantial improvement, having multiple accounts per family has been a frustration. We are happy to announce that on March 5th, we will introduce a new feature called Single Sign-On, which will allow you to see the academic information for all your students at once. A side benefit of this new feature will be that each parent or guardian could have their own personal account to view their students' data. This is the page you'll see beginning March 5th. To begin, click on the Create Account button. This brings up the page where you'll enter the information needed to establish your new single sign-on account. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and your desired username. Please note, the email address and username must be unique. Next, enter the password you wish to use with your new account. For your security, we recommend a password that is at least 6 characters long and contains upper and lowercase letters as well as numbers. Please avoid using a password that could easily be guessed by another person. Next, in the Link Students to Accounts section, enter the student name, Access ID, and Access Password. The Access ID and Access Password are the same values that you are currently using to log into the system for each individual student and are required in order to establish your single sign-on account. If you do not have the Access ID or Access Password for your students, please contact your school for assistance. Next, choose your relationship to the student from the drop-down menu. Note that in the Relationship drop-down menu, there are many relationship types to choose from. Choose the relationship type that most accurately reflects your biological or legal relationship to the student. You can enter information for up to 7 students when creating your single sign-on account. If you have more than 7 students to add to your account, you will have an opportunity to do so once your account has been established. Once you've entered all of your information, click the Enter button. Assuming all the information you've entered is valid, you will be taken back to the login screen, where you can then log in using your new account. Once you have logged in, you'll see the names of each student that you have access to. Click on any name to see that student's information. You can manage your account preferences by clicking on the icon in the left-hand margin of the web page. From here, you can change your username and password, email address, and if necessary, add additional students to link to your account. Single sign-on is the first step to even more exciting features we have planned. In the weeks following the March 5th implementation date, watch for yet another announcement of a new great feature. Thanks for watching.